Hi friends, welcome back to Subu's Cafe. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be making an amazing Chinese fried rice. As with all my recipes, this one also will be very easy. So please do try this at home. I am sure you will love this. If you are watching my channel Subu's Cafe for the first time, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. I hope you liked this video. In case you liked it, please subscribe to my channel for such simple and easy recipes which I will be uploading every day. Thank you so much for watching Subu's Cafe, where happiness is homemade.